Scoring. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ping pong game. Okay, let it load and let's press the create option. Okay. Now in our before video, I showed how to make a simple moving script, and now I'm going to be making like what do we call a simple ping pong game. Scratch. Okay, now that we have our project, let's delete this cat sprite because we don't want it. And let's hover over choose a sprite and let's choose a sprite. Okay, now let's take the ball first. Let it load. And meanwhile, let's choose another sprite, which is the paddle, because what do we call, bounce the ball with our paddle. Okay. Now for the paddle sprite, we don't need much. Just drag out, and when green flag, click block. Forever, set X to mouse X. So it follows our mouse pointer, but it can't follow our, if we do up like this, it doesn't follow that. It only follows like this or like this. So let's make it go to set Y to that position. Set Y to there. And let's set X to mouse X. You can find it in sensing and you can drag out it. Now all it does is just follows our mouse pointer. See. Okay, now as per the ball sprite, let's drag out when green flag click. Forever, go to one position, let's say in the middle here. Go to -10 and Y20, and forever we should move 10 steps, point in direction 45 at the beginning of this, point in direction 45, not 30, 45. If an edge bounce, you can find it in the motion category. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it just bounces. We have a bouncing ball now. Now we need the paddle to, when the ball hits the paddle, we need it to bounce. So in the ball sprite, let's make some space. Okay. When green flag click, forever touching, you can drag out an if then block, and from the sensing and keep paddle. If touching paddle, so it senses if the ball is touching the paddle. If touching paddle, turn on 180 degrees. On 180 degrees, move 10 steps. Let's see. Oh yes, now we have the simple pong game. Now let's add it so that when the ball is touching the bottom edge, will make it loose. So let's choose a sprite again, and this time we need a line. This red line. And let's meanwhile make a score. Oh, it already came, but where is it? It's there. Let's drag it to the bottom center. Okay, here. And let's make it a little big. Okay, let's press out, make it big. Okay, now we have our lines. So when green flag click, go to this position. Then forever, touching ball, touching ball, stop all. You can find that in the controls category. Stop all. Let's see. Let's see now if we lose. It stops all. Now we want it to stop all and we want a you lose screen. So let's keep that here and broadcast a new message called lose. And in the stage block, in the stage category, let's go to backdrops and hover over it and let's choose a backdrop. We want space, the neon tunnel, so it looks nice. But for the backdrop one, let's drag this neon tunnel to the backdrop one. And we can make a quick you win screen. So let me fill it with red and let me take the text and just write you lose. Not you win, you lose. You lose. And we can do the same for the you win. So let's drag this to the center. This is the you lose. So let's name it lose. Now let's duplicate this and instead of lose 2, let's name it win. Okay, now we have our you lose and you win spread. But this doesn't look like you win to me. So let's change it to you win. Okay, not like that. Let's change it to you won or you win. Okay, let's choose you win. And for the backdrop, red is not a good color when we win. Green is a good color, so let's quickly take a green. Okay, now we have our you lose and you win. But now that we have different backdrops, we need to, what do we call that? Switch the backdrop to neon tunnel. Yeah, switch backdrop to neon tunnel. Then when I receive lose from the events, switch backdrop to lose because it's lose. Then in the ball sprite, let's keep some space here. When I receive lose, stop other scripts in this sprite, not stop all, stop other scripts in the sprite, and finally hide. But now we have hide. So when the green flag click, we should immediately show it. So let's show it. And let's do the same for the paddle. But instead of doing all that, we can drag this and hover it over the paddle. Wait until it wiggles like that. Then we can drag this here and let's just show it at this time. Same for the red line. Okay, hide and let's show it. Wait, let's quickly come on. Let's show it. Now it shows it. Now we don't have a possible way to win. Let's see if it works or not. Let's change it to neon tunnel. Now I did this. Okay, it works. Now let's play a sound so that it's nice. But let's do that at the end. For now, let's make a variable. It keeps track. Let's just rename it. Let's name it score. Score for all sprites. And first, let's set the score to 0 so that we don't start up at 100. When green flag click, forever, forever, if equal to, where is it? If score is equal to one number, let's choose 50. But now for an example, let's choose 1. If score is equal to 1, let's broadcast another message called win. The same way how we did. Oh my. Okay, we can't change it, but let's leave it like that. And let's just duplicate this. And when I receive win, and let's show it. But when I receive lose, let's also hide the variable. So we don't have the score ending up when we lose or win. So when green flag click, show the variable. And when I receive win, let's also, okay, we already duplicate it inside it. Let's keep win, and here also let's keep win. Let's duplicate this and just keep win. Okay, now in this sprite the stage category, let's just duplicate this and let's keep win. When I receive win, switch backdrop to win. Let's see. For now it's only one. So example, if I do this. Okay, I didn't code. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah, I didn't code that when we bounce the ball, we will do it. So in here, if touching paddle one. Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, as I was saying, change score by one in this. So now when we touch the paddle, it changes score. So it's as we our score is one, we already won. But when it's something like 100, you can choose whichever number you want. I chose 100. So example, if I get 100, I win. Make sure. Wait a second. I just saw something happen. Yeah, as I was saying, make sure you subscribe and like. Bye.